Hey, welcome to this video. Today I will show you a very useful plugin for commerce, which name is ManyCart Track. You will be able to show a nice mini cart into your commerce site, and also you can attract your customers to purchase more items by offering many dynamic discounts. You can show messages to your customer, like if you spend 20 USD more, then you will get 2 USD discount. I am going to describe the plugin within very short time, so please stay with me. After installation, you will see a menu, ManyCart Pro. Click on the menu. Then you will see the plugin configuration page. There is two modules. First one is for ManyCart and second one is Sale Booster. It is for dynamic discount. Now I am going to configure ManyCart module. First, we need to choose the position of the ManyCart. We can choose any one position of the 6. I am choosing left middle here. Now I am going to choose the color. I choose blue here. That's all of general settings. I need to press the save button to save general settings. Now, cut button or drawer settings. First I choose the icon. Then footer content. Which value we want to show in footer text. We can choose here. The selection options are directly visible. How it look like. So you can see the real view here. Remember, almost in all settings title, there is a help icon, where you can see the graphical preview of the settings functioning. However, in the footer content, if I choose the total amount, then another settings will be visible. That is amount type. You can choose subtotal or cut total. Now, I am going to choose display animation. You see all animation effects in the selection option. Just hover on the option, then you will see the animation. Yours is for cut button or drawer settings. So I need to save these settings by pressing the save button. Now I am going to cut container settings. First we need to enter the cut title text. Then undo remove panel. If I enable in, then when an user will delete any product, then it will display a panel for undo or get back that product into cart. If you hover in the help icon, then you will see the all information of that settings, like this. I am leaving all other options as it is. Now let's see how the ManyCart display. So I'm going to Showcase. See, we got a nice mini cart as we configured. We can also configure it by using WP Customizer. Let's see. We can normally open WP Customizer, or we can press this button to open WP Customizer. This button directly opens the ManyCart menu in Customizer. First, I am going to configure general settings. We can choose same options which are in its configuration page. Now I am changing its position and color. In drawer settings, we can choose icon, footer content, display animation. Also, we can hide the circle. Now, cart item settings. We can change the title text of the mini cart. That's all of this module. There is another module for dynamic discount. We call it Sale Booster. This feature is only exist in Pro version. It is not exist in free version. Now we will configure this module. We need to enable it first. Now disable on coupon code. If you enable it, then if a buyer adds any coupon code, then this dynamic discount will not applicable. You can add your own discount label. When the discount will be applied, then it will display in the mini cart as discount label. It also display in full cart page as well. You can also change the message text for discount amount and also for free shipping. You can show discount message in mini cart as well as in screen header or footer. I'm enabling message into both places. Also, you can change the message bar style and color in both places. Now I am going to add discount rule. I press the button Add New Rule. It will open an input form. I set the status active. In target amount, I enter 200. It means when the purchase amount will be greater than or equals to 200, then these rules will be applied. Now display message amount. I set it 130 when the purchase amount will be greater than or equals to 130, then a message bar will be displayed. Next one is offer type. You can choose here free shipping or discount. If you choose discount, then you need to input the discount type, fixed or percentage. I choose offer type discount and discount type fixed and enter 5 as discount. It means if customer purchases more than 200, then he or she will get 5 discount. Now I am going to save this. In this way, I have created 3 discount rules. The last rule's discount type is percentage. Remember one thing, it will choose only one topmost matching rule. It won't choose all rules. Let's see how it works. I am adding this item with 79.95 USD. See the item in minicart. Adding this. Also adding this. Now see the message displayed in both places. It shows spend more 31.64 to get 5 discount. See, when I purchase more than 200, then I got 5 special discount. You can change the level of this discount. As we define the rule, currently we got 5 USD. Now I am adding some more items to get next message. See the next message. For last one, I am adding some more items. When purchase amount greater than 600, then it will add 5% discount. This also showing in full cart page. That's all of this plugin. Thank you for watching this video.